So myself Vineet, and this is my wife Tanvi and our son Vedant, and we are right now at Prestige Tranquility. This amazing place we got right after the lockdown lifted. We purchased this place, and just keeping Vedant's future in mind, we got this property. And the next part was the more important part, is like how we wanted our interiors to be, and that led us to checking out a lot of branded the big guns in the interiors. And somehow what we had in mind, like we were not the wavelengths were not matching with those guys. And Tanvi came across Facebook's Attic-Art's Facebook page, and we got in touch with Priya. And the first conversation that she had with Priya, she felt like a connection, some sort of a connection, and that she said that let's go ahead with Attic-Art even before the entire designing part actually started. And once Kamlesh shared the first set of designs, whatever an iota of doubt that we had, that was cleared. Like we were clear that we are going to go with Attic-Art. Coming to the execution part, considering Vedant is going to come very soon, and in COVID times we did not want to step outside to get to the vendors and getting the work done. So the Attic-Art team, they made us very comfortable, and like we were very relaxed, like they are going to take care of it end to end. That was the main the convenience that we got. And coming to the designing part, it was a lot of to and fro. Kamlesh and Tanvi got into a good discussion on the design part, and on the execution front, we are very satisfied and very happy with the end product. And the end result is fantastic. We love our house, and what started out as a professional relationship, it's now Attic-Art's team is now like a family to us. So it started out as a client and a company kind of a relationship, but now they are all family to us.
The main USP of Etica's team is whatever you say, even if you have doubt that it would be possible or not, then there is an amazing person in Kamlesh team named Guna, and he would just say, "Ma'am, ho jayega." You just say and everything will be done, and he is a man of his words, and whatever he says, he executed like seamlessly. And like while going with the Etica's team, we were in a slight confusion also, because what we wanted is, we didn't want to step out for a single thing, but so they assured me that they will be taking care of each and everything, and considering our situation, we were strictly following the COVID protocols and everything. And the first time I saw this flat was the time of handover, and I didn't find anything which I can point out that this is not right or this should be improved or something. So everything was so seamless, so effortless, and we are just so happy that we went ahead with Eticage and Kamlesh, and this was a great and like very, very pleasurable journey for us.
We got our dream house.